Hello dear students, welcome again to your computer class for class 2. So students, in previous video we have completed the explanation of lesson 3, reading and explanation, and in this video we will do the book exercise of lesson 3. Okay students, are you ready to write the question answers? Very good. So firstly, take out your computer book and computer notebook. Okay. So this is your lesson 3. Learn to use the computer. Okay. Now take out your page number 31. See here, page number 31. Exercises. Okay. First of all, we will do answer the following questions. Okay. These are the questions. So we will do in our computer copy. Now take out your notebooks. Very good. See here, first question is define desktop. Okay, students, this is your computer notebook. Okay, first of all you will write the date on which you are doing your work, classwork. Okay, then write the lesson name, lesson 3, learn to use the computer. Okay, in good handwriting. Understood? Then first question is question 1, define desktop. Desktop क्या है? Then answer is desktop is the screen that appears on starting the computer. Desktop screen है जो अपीयर होती है कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करने पर. ओके, जैसे हम कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं तो स्क्रीन हमें शो होती है मॉनिटर पर. दैट इज कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप. अंडरस्टूड? सो राइट द आंसर. डेस्कटॉप इज द स्क्रीन दैट अपीयर्स ऑन स्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर. फुल स्टॉप. देन क्वेश्चन 2, डिफाइन टास्क बार. ओके, टास्क बार क्या है? आंसर इज टास्क बार इज द थिन बार एट द बॉटम ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप. ओके, टास्क बार एक पतली सी बार होती है जो डेस्कटॉप के बॉटम में होती है. ओके, जो हमें स्क्रीन दिखाई देती है मॉनिटर पे, उसके लास्ट में नीचे एक पतली सी थिन बार होती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड टास्क बार. सो राइट द आंसर. Taskbar is the thin bar at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, BOTTOM, bottom. Understood? Then full stop. Then question 3, what can happen if you do not start or shut down the computer properly? अगर आप सही से कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट नहीं करते हैं या बंद नहीं करते हैं, ओके, सही तरीके से, तो क्या हो सकता है? व्हाट कैन हैपन? ओके, सो द आंसर इज इट कैन हार्म योर कंप्यूटर. अगर हम प्रॉपरली शट डाउन या स्टार्ट नहीं करते हैं कंप्यूटर, तो इससे हमारा कंप्यूटर खराब हो सकता है. ओके, आंसर इज इट कैन हार्म योर कंप्यूटर. ये आपके कंप्यूटर को खराब कर सकता है. देन क्वेश्चन 4, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म शट डाउन? ओके, शट डाउन का मतलब क्या है? सो राइट द आंसर. आंसर इज शट डाउन मीन्स क्लोजिंग द कंप्यूटर. ओके, शट डाउन का मतलब है कंप्यूटर को बंद करना. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डन. वेरी गुड. नाउ see again one by one. Question 1. Define desktop. Answer is desktop is the screen that appears on starting the computer. Then question 2. Define taskbar. Taskbar is the thin bar at the bottom of the desktop. Then question 3. What can happen if you do not start or shut down the computer properly? So the answer is it can harm your computer. The answer is it can harm your computer. Then question 4. What is the meaning of the term shutdown? Okay. Then the answer is shutdown means closing the computer. Understood? Very good. After writing your question answers in neat and clean writing, your homework is to learn the question answers. Okay, this is your homework. Learn these question answers. Understood? So after question answer, we will come to our book exercise. Now take out your books. Okay students, now take out page number 31. Okay. Question B, multiple choice question. Tick the correct option. In this question, we have to tick the correct option. Okay. 3 options are given in each and you have to select one which is the correct one. Number 1. Closing the computer means to dash the computer. कंप्यूटर को क्लोज करने का मतलब क्या होता है? ऑप्शन शट डाउन, क्लिक और ओपन. यस, क्लोजिंग द कंप्यूटर मीन्स टू शट डाउन द कंप्यूटर. ओके, शट डाउन मीन्स होता है ना क्लोजिंग द कंप्यूटर. यस, सो टिक ऑन द शट डाउन. ओके, so tick on the shutdown and write here also shutdown. Okay, like this, write shutdown. Next, number 2, the computer is ready to use when dash appears. Okay, कंप्यूटर कब रेडी होता है यूज करने के लिए? जब क्या appear होता है? लॉग ऑफ स्क्रीन, डेस्कटॉप और चॉकलेट. ओके, जैसे ही कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या शो होता है? सो द आंसर इज डेस्कटॉप. ओके, जैसे ही हम कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हैं तो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन हमारी डेस्कटॉप होती है. उसके बाद हम कंप्यूटर को यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो टिक ऑन डेस्कटॉप एंड राइट हियर डेस्कटॉप. ओके, like this you will write the spelling DESKTOP, desktop. Okay, next, number 3, the small pictures with titles on the desktop are called dash. Okay, we will see now small pictures on desktop. What are that called? Desktop, icons or taskbar. Okay, answer is, tell me the answer. Yes, the small pictures that we can see on the desktop are called icons. Okay, so tick on this and write here icons. Understood? Very good. Now turn your page. Come to page number 32. Okay students, so here you can see activity time. Okay, this is an activity given here. First is number the steps in sequence to switch off a computer in the circles given below. Students, there is a mistake in this question. Okay, the picture here given is to switch on the computer, not to switch off. Okay, so please do correction. First of all, in the question, do correction. Write switch on, cut off, this one. Okay, cut it, and in place of off, write on. Okay, like this. So do the correction first. Now the question is, number the steps in sequence to switch on a computer in the circles given below. Okay, now you can see here the picture. Okay, when we switch on the computer, what we will do first? First we will switch on the main power supply button. Okay, so write here number 1. Okay, then after main power button, what we will switch on? Yes, next is UPS नंबर 2. ओके, दूसरे नंबर पर हम यूपीएस को ऑन करते हैं, स्विच ऑन करते हैं. देन CPU. सो राइट हियर 3. ओके, दिस इज द एरो ऑफ CPU. अंडरस्टूड? देन आफ्टर, उसके बाद क्या होता है? मॉनिटर को स्विच ऑन करते हैं. देन नंबर 4. ओके, switch on the power button of monitor. Okay, then after, what will come on the computer? Yes, screen appears, that is called the desktop. Okay, that is number 5. Understood? So check the numbers. Number 1, power button on. Number 2, UPS on. 3rd, CPU on. 4, monitor on. Then 5th is the desktop. Okay, the screen. Okay students, have you done? Very good. Next is number 2 question. Label the picture. Okay, here pictures given. What you will do? Label the picture. यहाँ जो एरो से शो किया हुआ है उसके नेम लिखना है आपको. Okay students, so first of all, what is this? This is icon. Okay, these small pictures are called icons. So write here icons. This is icon. Next, what is this? On the thin taskbar, what is this? Yes, this is the start button. Right, like this, start button. Okay, and what is this screen called? Yes, this is desktop. Right, DESKTOP, desktop. Okay, and in the last bottom of the desktop, what is given? Yes, this is the thin bar, that is called taskbar. Okay, so write here task bar. Okay, so like this you have to label the picture. Understood? Write in neat and clean writing. Okay students, do your work in good handwriting. Okay, so this is for today only. In next video we will start our new lesson. Okay, lesson number 4, input and output devices. Okay, so till then, complete your work, learn the question answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.